This demo presents the Bill of Material module, including the component configuration tool known as the Product Configurator. This module empowers your engineers by providing them with a very smart visual tool for defining your final assemblies, subassemblies, and parts, or so-called components. The component configuration tool will tremendously help your salespeople, giving them the much-needed flexibility of satisfying any specific detail of your customer's orders. The fundamental object in this module is called attribute, and the example will demonstrate its meaning. At first, the attributes and their values are defined by your engineering staff. Each attribute describes a generic characteristic of a component, such as dimension, color, function, etc., while the attribute value specifies it. The next step is defining all of the components of a bill of materials, such as parts, groups of parts, packages, assembly, and part definitions. Any component in assembly definition itself may contain multiple levels of other components. Each component can have attributes which specific values would uniquely identify it. The attribute's value can be included in the code. Some of the components can be optional. Quantity formulas and/or compatibility formulas can be defined for some components that will streamline and considerably shorten the product configuration process. The component configuration tool automates the process of specifying all attribute values of the final product. By drilling down to each detail of the assembly definition, picking and choosing its specific components, the final product's bill of material is uniquely identified.